Hello social media world, I have an invitation to extend. Next Wednesday, that's the 2nd of October at 7 p.m. UK time, I'm going to be conducting a brand new workshop by way of a Facebook Live. We're going to be looking into how to find the spark of true, authentic purpose. Now, I am aware that true purpose may sound like a pretty grand aim for a 1-hour Facebook Live workshop, but the process that I intend to show you is something that I've been using with my clients for years, and very often it's the session that creates the biggest tipping point for them on their journey. So I really believe in it. Now, it works by identifying and breaking down the things that really make us tick, like on a very personal level, and then reassembling those abstract concepts into one idea, which when applied to our lives can help us to reduce self-consciousness and anxiety, as well as adding the all-important motivation and a sense of direction to whatever it is that we do. It's a little bit magic. So I am really hoping to see you there, and all you need to do to take part for free is be in my Facebook group on Wednesday. You can find the group in Facebook by searching for the name of my book, which is The Mind Monster Solution, or if you're on Instagram, you can click the link in my profile and find a button there for it. I do hope that you fancy joining, and please let me know if you have any questions.